Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by editing the element directly. Open your HTML and add a style attribute to the element you want to change. Use property, value pairs like color, #333, font size, 16px, and separate rules with semicolons. Once you add one rule, test rendering in the browser to confirm the effect. Make sure to prefer concise properties for faster edits. You are acting now on the element itself, so you immediately see how a single rule alters layout and appearance. You continue by organizing the rules you add inline. Group typography, spacing, and borders so each element's style is clear. Use shorthand to keep the attribute compact, for example margin 10px0 or font 16px/1. For Arial to combine size and line height. Remember why inline wins. It overrides external and internal styles unless you used important elsewhere. Once done, scan for redundancy and remove properties duplicated by parent selectors. You finish by auditing what you changed. Convert repeated inline declarations into classes in a stylus sheet for maintainability, and keep inline only for one-off fixes. If something looks wrong, inspect the element in Developer Tools to view computed styles and trace conflicts. Make sure to check specificity. An inline style will win against external rules unless overridden by important. If layout still breaks, remove recent inline rules one at a time to isolate the culprit, and then restore the corrected rule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.